Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install Microsoft Edge browser on TCL Tab 10s. So in order to do this, open your Google Play Store. From here begin a search for an app and enter Microsoft Edge. Like this, hit the search button. Now select this app and install it. After installation process is complete, we'll be able to open this app. From here, start customizing it by signing in to turn on synchronization. I'm gonna do it later. Here you can enable or disable data sharing preferences. I'm gonna disable it and also proceed. Last option is to set Microsoft Edge as a default browser or skip it right here. So let's set it up. Here, go for the Edge and set as default. From now on, our default browser will be Edge, and now we can open any website. And it works properly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.